The snake is a symbol of agility and stillness. It moves gracefully, almost invisible among the leaves, using its smooth scales to minimize noise. With venom or muscular strength, it is a formidable predator on the ground. However, no matter how skillful it is, the snake cannot escape the sharp gaze of the hawk. The hawk, with eyes likened to modern binoculars, possesses the ability to see kilometers away from above. Soaring in the sky, it patiently observes even the slightest movement below. A snake slithering through the underbrush instantly falls into the hawk's sights. In the blink of an eye, it dives at lightning speed, using its powerful talons to strike. The showdown between the elephant, king of the jungle, and the giant crocodile, the swamp assassin, is bound to be thrilling. The massive elephant, with its overwhelming strength, steel-hard tusks, and agile trunk, can easily toss its opponent. Meanwhile, the crocodile boasts a terrifying bite force, tough armored skin, and the ability to launch surprise attacks underwater. On land, the elephant dominates with its immense power and weight. But in the water, the crocodile takes the lead with its speed and hunting skills. At the riverbank, the battle becomes evenly matched. Who will emerge victorious? Watch the full video and leave your comments below.